I'm going to show you how to do healthy chips, sweet potato chips or fries. These have got 4 ingredients. So it's sweet potato, salt, olive oil and cornstarch. That's your 4 ingredients. They're going to be better than the frozen ones, full of flavour, cheaper. First you want to peel the potatoes. So just peel it. And we've got 5 or 6 potatoes. It's completely peeled and half not peeled because I also like the skin on some of my sweet potatoes as well. So we're just going to cut it into potato size. There we are. Then the next one. You're going to need a sharp knife. So the next step is you need a bowl with a little bit of salt in and some cold water. It needs to be ice water, but if you can get really cold water from the tap or you've got cold water in the fridge, it's fine. And you need to put your sweet potatoes straight in the water and let them soak for half an hour. Ideally, these are the size you want. Not too thick, not too thin, just a good size. Don't forget you've got the ones with a little bit of skin on as well. Straight in. These are going to make some really healthy sweet potatoes, better than the frozen ones, full of flavour, done in olive oil and some natural sea salt. Or Himalayan salt, it's up to you. Straight in. And these don't take minutes to prep. I mean, they do take a little bit of time, but they don't take that long. They're a lot better than the frozen ones, a lot better flavour. Just give that a little shake. And we're going to let them soak. So the next step is you want to rinse off the water and then you want to put it onto a tea towel, the sweet potatoes. Just spread them out evenly. What we're going to do is we're going to pat them down. Just get the moisture out. Just dry them out slightly. Really give them a good pat. So you've got your dried out sweet potato that you patted down. You need some oil. Then you need some salt. Give it a mix. Half a teaspoon of corn flour. Just give that a mix. Really mix that corn flour in so it coats the sweet potato. Transfer straight onto the tray. There we are, just evenly spread them out. Make sure they evenly spread out, nothing's on top of each other. Just give them a little shake. There we are. On air fry till crispy and golden brown, just keep your eye on them. These are the homemade, not frozen, fresh sweet potato fries, done in the air fryer with 4 ingredients. They're absolutely beautiful. They've got that subtle sweet flavour. They've got the little bit of olive oil in there. They've got the salt. They've got that crunch. They're absolutely beautiful. Try them today. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Join our community today.